fine. Yeah, but those were old videos before I started my weight loss journey. Don't follow me, Rob. You don't know. Thanks for the earth, and thanks for the TGIF, I really appreciate it. And thanks for the lightning bolt. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up on this video? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they can check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video and you're into trains, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Friday, October the 20th, 2023. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.